So let's start off with how to make a Zoom account. The first thing we need to do is go to zoom.com. If you do not have an account, you will need to sign up for one. So let's press the orange button that says sign up. It's free. You will be taken to a page that asks for your date of birth. So let's go ahead and enter that now. And let's press continue. The next screen will ask for your email address. If you have a Facebook or a Gmail account, you can click on their respective links and will be asked to sign in with your password. If you do not have either account, you'll be asked to create a password. And now we can sign into Zoom. Now that we are signed in, let's personalize our profile a bit. We're going to click on Profile. Once on the profile page, we're going to select Change below the square with our initial. Click Upload, go to your pictures, select your best picture, and click Open. Next, let's move the square to frame the photo. And once you have it just the way you like, click Save. And there's our profile picture. Alrighty, let's take a quick look at settings. Scroll to settings and select it. You will find three settings: meeting, recording, and telephone. Meeting settings will incorporate everything from audio to video that happens during a Zoom meeting. Recording settings lay out your recording options. And telephone settings will show your settings when dialing in from your phone. Since we have seen the meeting settings, let's take a look at your meetings. I have scheduled a meeting so you can see what it will look like. If you click on the title of the meeting, you will uncover additional details. Since I created this meeting and will be the host, I'm given the option to start this meeting. If I was invited to this meeting, this button would say Join Meeting. So are you muted? You just may be. To check if you are muted while in the meeting, move your mouse to the left-hand corner and look for the microphone button. If there is a red line across it, then you are muted. Click the microphone to unmute yourself. As long as the host does not have your microphone locked in the meeting settings, you will be able to unmute yourself. Reactions are silent buttons that can be pressed to clap or give a thumbs up in agreement. Take your mouse to the bottom right of the screen to find your reactions. You can clap or give the thumbs up. This will show in the upper left of your video and will be visible for others to see for about 15 to 30 seconds. So there are times when you will be asked to raise your hand in a meeting. To do this, you are going to press the icon that says Participants. This will open a window with everyone who is in the meeting. At the bottom right, you will see a menu option. Click on the button and you will uncover the option to raise your hand. Click the Raise Your Hand button and there you are, ready to ask your question.